Hi, I'm Alice Kingdom. I'm going to be doing a demonstration of how to sharpen a pencil for semi-permanent makeup or microblading. This is the dark brown pencil by Everlasting Brows. I really like this pencil because it's easy to sharpen. It stays on the skin nicely. The end is broken off because I often give that to the clients. We don't reuse. I don't like to reuse pencils, even though we're often not using it once the skin is broken. But I like to break off the end and give that to the client or pop that in the disposable waste. With these particular type of pencils, there's a string, and if you pull the string, that allows you to unravel the pencil. We want to unravel enough so that we can see a good portion of pencil. We don't want to unravel too much, because if we unravel too much, then we're more likely to break the tip off, because these are generally quite delicate. And I'm using the Feather Cut Special blades. These can be purchased from lots of different places on the internet. I like to cut off my string so that it's not dangling in the face of my client or getting in the way. And at the moment this is rounded on the end and quite chunky. If you were to try and work with this, then the lines that you're going to create aren't going to be very fine. We want to get this into a nice, fine, manageable tip. And rather than using a traditional pencil sharpener, if we can straighten it into a flat edge, it's much more easy to work with on the skin. So I'm going to pick up my blade. What you want to do is to support the tip of your pencil. And then you're just going to very easily, very gently, not always easily, but very gently. Let's see if I can do this tutorial without breaking the pencil. That would be good. Just taking little slithers at a time. And that's the key to getting this nice and flat, is to being gentle and doing little bit by little bit. So now I've taken down some of that side, I'm then going to flip over and again supporting the pencil. Tiny little slithers, there's no rush. I often do this while my client's numbing. I have several of them already, just in case I need more than one during the treatment. Sometimes I break these down into smaller sections so that I can throw them away if I need to use them on broken skin. Again, it will depend on your health department or local authority, because some places don't allow you to reuse even if the skin's not been broken, and like I say, I don't generally like to do that myself anyway. So you can see now we've got that nice and thin. I hope you found that useful. You've been watching Alice Kingdom at Body and Brows.